In this segment, we're going to go over how we can transform our data or a data range into a table within Microsoft Excel. Turning our data into a table will also allow us to utilize a powerful tool called a pivot table further down the road. Additionally, by transforming our data into a table, we can update the table with new or fresh information, and in turn, we can update our pivot table. To turn our data into a table, it's quite simple. We want to click within our data range, and then up at the very top of the window, on the menu ribbon, we can click the Insert tab. On the Insert ribbon, you will see a bunch of different icons and buttons that Excel will allow you to perform. Located in the Tables quadrant, we will want to click the Table icon. If we hover over the Table icon, we can see that a small window appears that gives us additional information about what we are about to select. This is a helpful feature in Excel. Sometimes these windows will also tell the user what the keyboard shortcut would be to streamline this process. For example, the window says that to create a table, the user can hold Control and the T key on their keyboard. This is the keyboard shortcut that will create a table rather than clicking through the menu tabs and ribbons. After clicking the table icon, a separate window appears called the Create Table window. This appears to inform the user that Excel is about to create a table out of the data present, and it believes that the data is in the set range that appears on the screen. There might be a scenario where there could be spaces between columns in the data, and Excel might not be smart enough to recognize that there is continuing data, and therefore a table gets created out of a particular data set. It can be helpful to take a quick glance at the Create Table window and double check that all of the data is selected. Once verified, simply click the OK button on the screen. You will notice now that all of the data on the screen changes into a table. Up at the top of the menu ribbon, a new tab appears called the Table Design tab. Once again, in this tab, there are many different features or tools that can be used to enhance a table. In our case, we want to name our table. Naming our table will allow us to reference it if need be. It's a good habit to name things in Excel for tracking purposes. To name this newly created table, in the upper left-hand corner of the screen, in the Properties quadrant of the ribbon, is the Table Name field. To change the name, we simply click in the field and adjust accordingly. In this case, we are going to change the name of the table to be WASBO. And there you have it. We created a table from our data. We also gave it a unique name to track against.